World of Concrete 2025 was an amazing time. Today's video, I talked to several different companies, put that all in this video, and I recommend that you watch it all the way through and let me know which one is your favorite or which ones you have questions on. All right, let's get started.
Hey guys, my name is Jenny Murphy. I'm a product manager here at Stiletto. We're at World of Concrete showcasing our Stiletto product line. So what's so great about these titanium hammers, they're 45% less weight than steel. They still pack the punch of a steel hammer. So we have a variety of options here, the full titanium, the fiberglass, the hickory hammer. So depending on what kind of style you like, you can pick and choose from these variety. We also have some pry bars here that are full titanium as well. This one has the dimpler that makes it a little bit easier to pull out nails without damaging your wood. And then we also have a variety of other options besides just the hammers. We have drywall axes and lathe axes that are within our fiberglass lineup. And I'll take you over to the wall here to show you those options that we do have. So as I mentioned, the axes that we have here, we have a lathe axe and a drywall axe. These are all going to be in our fiberglass models. They're going to be a full titanium head, so you're still going to get that benefit of having that lightweight feel, but still have the pack of a steel hammer. Our lathe axe, we're going to have the thumb dimple right here, so you can have more control while you're using this axe, as well as 3 magnetic nail sets, so you can reach different areas and really get against whatever material that you're doing. This also has the open blade design, so that's going to provide a little bit less weight, so you're not going to have that heavy hammer feel in your hand. And it has a nail puller that can pull a variety of nail sizes. So this is going to be more for your roofing, anything that requires a little bit more of a square, bigger face. But we're going to move on to the drywall hammer here. So this is going to be your old school drywall hammer, your drywall axe. You're going to have the same kind of thumb divot here with that fiberglass handle. Has an open blade design similar to the previous one that we looked at for that more lightweight feel, and a optimized nail puller so you can pull the nails out. Another great feature with this tool is that it actually has a drywall scraper, and not many people know about this. It's a little indentation here with a little bit of roughness, so when you're cutting that drywall and you have a little bit of extra drywall debris, you can just go like this and scrape that off nice and easily. Besides hammers and axes, we also have other titanium tools and aluminum tools within our lineup. We have all of these titanium pry bars here, ranging from a cat's paw, if you're doing a little bit more framing work, to your finish trim puller, as well as some glazer bars, so if you're installing windows or doing any kind of more thinner work where you really need to get underneath something to pry, these are great options. Again, these are full titanium, so they're going to be a lot more durable than steel, and they're going to be able to hold up to that job site use and abuse. We also have some squares here. We have 2 7-inches, one with a level and one without, as well as a 4.5-inch square here that's going to be more towards your finished carpenter. The biggest thing with these is that dedicated scribe notches for the pro. So 7 inches are going to have dedicated notches towards that framer for stud layout, and your finish square is going to be more notches dedicated towards that finish and trim carpenter. With our brand new titanium hammers, the 1514 and the trim bone, we have the option to replace your grip. So if you ever get any wear and tear, any rips, you basically just have to take a T25 screwdriver, remove the bolt here at the bottom, and the cool thing is that ours are interchangeable, so you can actually just pull it right off versus having to cut it completely. And there comes a variety of options here. Our brand new color that we just launched is going to be our red grip. We're very excited about that. Otherwise, we have another great options and other vibrant colors so you won't lose your hammer on the job site.
Like it? All right.
Hi, it's Connie from Stealthmounts here. So I would like to talk you through our Milwaukee range today. We have the track saw rail mounts, which is primarily used for longer tracks in awkward angled work vans or ceilings. So the whole idea, this is one set, you get 2 sets in a pack, and people can put these on walls, or if you've got an awkwardly angled van, so if it's on a slant, it's to utilise that space. We can also use our level mounts on those spaces. So it's just to help make use of all space you've got and keep it that bit more clean and organised.
Okay. Yeah, when I first saw this, I thought was meant to go on a table, but it's...
No, so you can use that anywhere you want. You just use these two to hook it in place. You put it underneath, and then you push this back, and it just falls in, and then it won't. Obviously, it can slide, but it's to stop things falling down on you. So we have also got our battery mounts here for our 18-volt battery, and then we've also got the tool mounts here. You can add a tool mount spacer on for when you have a hook on your tool. We've also got our wall hive, which is more of our workshop range. So we have the screwdriver part, and then we also have the open hook part for pliers and things like that. We've got our cleats V2, which we use for pack outs, and also the Milwaukee locking accessories, because we find when you twist it, it holds in better than our original cleats. We have also got our wipe holders, which is our newest product.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
You can put first aid boxes in there, all sorts, glove boxes, the lot. Now here we've got our can mount, which people use for all sorts of cans, and they can get quite adventurous, also tubing. Anything that you think will fit in there.
So is this one right here for the pack out cup?
Yes.
So that's actual stealth mount. So,
yeah, so we've made this, it is this, our Stealthmounts pack out cup tumbler mount. And people primarily use them on flat work surfaces to make sure that they stay in place and don't move around, because I can't move that. Yeah. Whereas if it's unlocked, it's to stop it knocking over. Okay. But we have seen videos of people putting them in all sorts of peculiar places, like ceilings and weird angles as a joke. But yeah, so that is our Milwaukee range. Sure. We are on Amazon worldwide, and then also we're based in the UK, so we've got a website that you can order from and get shipped to here, but we would recommend Amazon, as obviously it can be quicker for you. I think our entire range is on Amazon. We've got over 200 products, so there is quite a lot, but it's always good to have a scroll through. Okay. Or our website is www.batterymounts.com if you'd like to have a look at more of the product descriptions and have an understanding for it more. So if you'd like to walk over here, we've got a Makita section. So we make the Makita mounts for 18 volt and 40 volts. We've got the level mounts here, which just click in and out like that. And then we've got the hooks for the wall hive hook. So the wall hive, we've got different variations. So over there you saw the screwdriver, which is also here. We've got the plier one here. We have the charger mount. For the double charger for Makita, we also do the single one. We've got the track saw rail mount again. And then if you look around here, this is the Milwaukee section. So we've got bin buddies, which are used to store the Milwaukee bins and also the rigid and Kita bins. So these are the can mounts specifically, which people store again all over the place. This is the version 2 because it's got the little lip underneath, whereas the version 1 was basically 2 parts that look like this, so you could space them out better. So some people find those useful, but we find these are better because most people use cans for that. But you can use like thick tubing if your job requires tubing, or pipes, all sorts really.
How about like tubes of caulk? Do you have one for that yet?
Yes, let me try and find that for you. Yeah, so that will be here, which is like a slimmer one.
Yeah.
So this is the can one, as you can see the difference.
Okay. Yeah.
And yeah, primarily used for silicone and cork. It can depend obviously what your business uses or what your trade uses, but yeah, that's what we find is used the most. So this is the mount for T-stack, which looks like this. And then we've also got the cleat and feet, which is used for the Klein mod box and also the Milwaukee pack-out boxes. And on this map, you can, if you scan the QR code, you can find where we are located. And then these are the stores we're located in if you want to find your closest Lowe's or Walmart. We have been around since about 2016 roughly, and it has grown rapidly since then. We use 3D print all our products, and which is obviously a very slow process, but we've moved on to injection molding. We've now got 15 injection molding machines in our factory. We've got a staff of about 25. We are an ever-growing company and made in Britain. I think we have over 200 products total. So primarily we started off with battery mounts and tool mounts. So for some you'll see Makita, we've got 18 volt, but we've also got 40 volt. So some of the ones that have 2 different voltages we do. We have the bit holder range. This is the 90-degree bit holder, the 45, the stubby, and the original. We find that the stubby is the most popular for people who it less impacts your hands when you're using the drill.
Yeah.
But obviously in these ones you can hold pencils, carpenter's pencils as well. And then also we've got our bench belts, which people use to clip glasses on, knives, like tape measures, all sorts.
So at Martinez, we're really excited to announce our brand new product that we don't think's been done before. It's a titanium spined level. The outer case is heavy duty 7000 series aluminum. Jamaican is our world fast engineer, so this is Jamaican designed, but it is absolutely amazingly durable. It's designed to survive the rigors and destruction that's on a construction site. It's built for chaos. What's really cool is, I'm going to swing you right here, you'll have the built-in magnetics, so it's going to stick where you need it to. Extremely strong, extremely durable, kind of in the whole theme of what we do at Martinez, something that will last and survive and be a lifetime tool for you. It's aluminum on the outside, but a titanium spine on the inside. And as you can tell, that's a very thick piece of titanium in the middle.
Yeah.
It's going to give it the rigidness that it needs to stay true.
Okay. So you have your 90-degree, 0, so for plumbing, you have your pitches, but then 45.
Yes. We're going to probably launch this end of March, and we'll have prices on our website.
Okay.
This is our traditional rapid square design. It's amazing anodized. It's what we're known for. It won't very, very rigid on here with our customizable aluminum heel. The big advantage that we're launching though now that we're showing everybody is you can't see them, but this also is magnetic for the first time. So it will kind of expand the different uses, steel studs, anything that you might have needed magnets in the past where traditional rapid square wouldn't do it. Now we do have that. In addition, the new titanium speed square, which is really cool because it has omnidirectional embedded speed nuts in this. So you can set your angle, keep it, one-hand operation. Very, very simple.
Nice. Yeah.
So we're really excited about this. Little additional features, blade wrench.
Oh yeah.
If you need to get in there, tighten a blade, your blade wrencher will do it. Solid titanium, once again, Jamaican. This also was made in the US on this product.
Nice.
And then finally, our brand new Carpenter's finished square, mid-level, titanium design, customizable heel. Very, very nice product we're going out to.
When you say a customizable heel, that's the color you're saying?
You can, you can pick your color on it, so you can match your hammer.
How many different colors do you have?
We think we'll start with 8, but we're trying to get to 12.
Wow.
Many of the available color schemes.
Thank goodness. Loose different.
One more race. We got one more race to determine who we're going to crown the 2025 Trowel Challenge champion. So guys, give it up. Alex, last contestant, last ride of the day. It's either going to be Alex or David Ray. Come on, Alex. What do you got, buddy? Let's see what you got. Alex had some great runs throughout the day. Let's see if he saved one for now. Here he comes. He's dipping in. Oh, that's okay. Give us a show, Alex. Give us a little show. All right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Alex Ratzloff. Congratulations. Nice job. Thank you for being part of this year's Trowel Challenge.
Not brand new. This has been out a couple of years, but one of the most popular tools here on the wall at the World of Concrete. Rebar cutter, cut up to number 8 bar. About 300 cuts of number 5 bar out of one blade. And about 100 cuts on one battery. DD150 battery core rig. This is new here at the show this year. DD150 for the past 20 years has been our most popular core rig. One of the reasons is that this is a rig that can be used handheld, I take the motor off, or stand mounted.
So a couple of the new things we have on the Neuron platform, the chainsaw is coming on in April. We just launched the blower, the MBL6, so that one launched. Additionally, we're bringing out a new wood cutting circular saw. It's going to have a dedicated dust chamber, which we'll see over there. So we'll let you guys get hands on with that one.
Hi, I'm Anna Whittemore. Welcome to Zipwall. We are a dust barrier system. We have products that make it possible for you to put up a dust barrier without having to get on a ladder or use tape, which takes a lot of time. So these are our Zipwall poles. This is our 12-foot pole. So the way these work is there's a non-skid head and plate. They're spring-loaded, so they use tension, and then they twist and lock. So what you do here is you take your barrier material, your poly, sandwich it between the head and the plate, and then all you have to do is twist, raise, and get a little tension. And then your pole's not going to go anywhere. You can use these to build a barrier as long as you need. So these poles are great. We have the 12-foot pole, we have our 10-foot pole, which is for lighter use. And then these are our workhorses. These are heavy duty. They go up to 12 feet high, so they're perfect for most ceiling heights. And then over here, we have our 20-foot pole. These will extend all the way up to 20 feet high. Completely customizable. We have a pole for any ceiling height and for any job. These are our heavy duty zippers. They're adhesive zippers. You stick them to your poly barrier. We have a specialized knife, as you can see here, to cut away the excess material, and you'll be able to create an entry within your barrier. These are our zip sheets, completely reusable, machine washable, and you can zip them together to create a customizable length. These are our side clamps for our foam rails. So these use tension to lock on the side of the barrier. These are our foam rail spans. These are great. They fit on the top of any of our Zipwall poles. Snap them in. But these extend. You unlock, and then you can adjust.
Oh, nice.
Just raise it up.
There.
Nice and tight. You've got a perfect seal.
Nice.
Yes, this is our pass-through.
Okay.
So this is a way to put a duct through your barrier without ruining the structural integrity of your barrier. It puts all the weight of the duct on the pole instead of the plastic. So what you do is you clamp it to any of our Zipwall poles right here, and then you line this up with the barrier, sandwich this between the plastic. Yep, there you go. And then click it into place, cut out the hole, and then pass your duct through with a drawstring closure, so it's going to be nice and secure.
Oh, nice.
So it won't go anywhere, it won't ruin your barrier. All the weight's on the pole. So this is our Zipwall magnetic door. It's completely self-closing, and it adheres to any door frame or barrier using a specialized double-sided tape that's non-damaging to your door frame, but strong enough to hold on to your magnetic door. So you can walk through completely hands-free. Thank you for coming and checking out our booth.
All right. There's so many companies I didn't get a chance to visit. Let me know down below which one you'd like to see coverage on. So next time I go, I can add that to my list. All right, so friends, that's it for now from sunny Las Vegas. See you next time. Hey friends, thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you want to see some more content for World of Concrete 2025, I have a short playlist right over here that you can check out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that button down below because we have a lot more videos coming out soon.